Welcome back, everyone, to another episode of Shade TV. My name is Marissa Hill, and today we're going to be taking a look at a woman's exclusive. This is a Nike Dunk Low, the Animal Instinct in the Primal Pink colorway. Let's take a quick sneak peek. Welcome back to another unboxing and review. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Be sure to hit that subscribe right now. Give this video a thumbs up. Feel free to leave any of those comments or questions down below. Hit that notification bell because we do have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, be sure to check out that join button for all of our amazing membership perks as well as our merch store. We've got some great shade items on there that you'll definitely want to look into. As mentioned earlier, we are going to be talking about a woman's exclusive sneaker today. This time it is the woman's Nike Dunk Low. This was actually part of a trio of shoes that actually released, but we do have in the Animal Instinct pack the Primal Pink colorway that we're going to be looking at today. So we're going to start off with the overview of these, then we're going to jump into size and fit. Again, this was a woman's exclusive, so only women's sizing. Then we'll talk about how I styled this really fun pattern that we've got on the swoosh as well as this color scheme. Then we'll conclude with how these are currently doing on the resale market. So let's jump right into it. So again, this is called the Primal Pink colorway. So as you can see, this is a very pale muted pink tone. Honestly, in different lighting, this almost kind of gives me a beige feel, but I think out of the three colorways that did drop, again, it wasn't a black and white color scheme. I think this was the best color out of the three. I think it's different. Starting with the front of the toe box, this is again that Primal Pink color scheme that you're going to see on the front of the toe box as well as the top here where we've got the perforated holes. Working our way up, it is a bit of a more beige tone for the tongue, and then we've got the Nike and swoosh mark features in white. The laces are also in a beige kind of hue, but it does kind of give me almost a pink feel, but it could just be the play that it has off of this Primal Pink colorway. More just Primal Pink on the eyelets, and that will finish off the top of the shoe. So let's look at those details and then move on to the side panels. So moving on to the side panels, again, more of that Primal Pink that just works its way around to the back of the heel of the shoe. One of the most eccentric parts of this sneaker, which I love so much, is we have seen Nike really go all out on a lot of women exclusive patterns with all over print. They took a very more subtle approach with this one. So they only added it to the swoosh mark here. So you'll notice the brown palette in the front is just that simplistic cheetah print. And then in the middle, we do have this snake skin in a darker color, and the back of this is this crackled, spackled metallic look, which actually is identical to the Golden Gals. Let me just actually pull this up so you can see how similar this is, but that is the exact same silver metallic color used on this one. Working our way to the back of the shoe, you'll see we have the Nike embroidered in that white tone, which I think really pops nicely off of that leather on the back. We've got the pale pink for the collar, as well as a insole that's also in pale pink with Nike and the swoosh mark in white. The shoe is then completed with a simplistic white midsole and a white outsole. Let's take a look at those final details. All right, so moving on to size and fit. Again, this was a woman's exclusive. I would say stick true to size. I am a woman's size 9. I know that dunks can run a little bit on the tighter side for some. I do like having a little extra room in mine, but I do, again, have high arch, narrow feet. So if you have flatter, wider feet, this could actually differentiate a size that may work best for you. But if you do have the same type of foot shape as mine, then I would highly recommend just sticking true to size on this one. All right, so now let's jump into styling. Again, I love that they decided to really just keep this simplistic on the swoosh mark with the animal print, the snakeskin, as well as that metallic, just because it allows you to really style this a little bit easier because it is a very neutral base. So for the first look, I really wanted to match this kind of pale pink colorway with one of the pieces in the look. So I decided to get this hoodie that actually matches this, I think, to a T. I tucked that into a mini skirt that has this really cool black and beige color scheme for the mini skirt, and I feel like it definitely plays off the colorway in this sneaker.
You got me shaking, yeah, I feel the fever coming on. Oh, you know you're all I want. Keep saying that I hate it, but it's kind of fun. Watching me come undone. No more games. Can't we just say its name instead of running away and jumping?
For the second look, I made it a little bit sportier, so I decided to wear some Everlast pieces, this time as a pair of windbreaker pants in black and white with a matching top in black and white as well. Obviously, there are a lot of black and white hues in this sneaker, so I really wanted to keep it subtle and simple with that second look.
Fun to play it safe. Let's spend the weekend here in this bed we can sleep in and let the feelings overflow. Useless trying to fight this. Let's just give in and let the feelings overflow. I tried to shake it, find a way to get you off.
All right, so for the last and final look, I decided to wear some pale pink denim pants. I think that matching this to a tee is a really good option, specifically just because, again, I think this could be a really nice monochromatic look. For the top, I decided to just wear this nice, simple white button down or half button down or quarter button down top, and I layered that with a nice pink pale plaid button down shirt.
Off my mind. Really tried to draw that line. One look from you, I'm praying I could call you mine. Baby, you got my hands tied. No more games. Can't we just say its name instead of running away and jumping the gun?
So you let me know the 3 pieces, or what was your favorite, or how would you style these dunks?
I swore to myself I wouldn't be honest this time. It was all just for fun, but now I'm blurring the lines. I know there's some things
let's talk about how these are doing on the resale market. So these retailed at $110 and they're currently going between $110 to $130. So not too crazy over the resale market. So if you did miss out, I would highly recommend adding these to your collection, especially for you ladies. I feel like this is a great starter. A dunk, if you have not added any dunks to your collection, I think that in hand, it definitely gives me a better feel of how this shoe looks. I think images don't really do this sneaker justice. When I honestly unboxed this for the first time, I was like highly shocked and surprised just because I think that it really looks good in hand. All right, that's it for this unboxing and review of the channel today. Thanks so much for joining us. Be sure to hit that subscribe if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up. Feel free to leave me any of those comments or questions that you may have down below. Hit that notification bell as well because we have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, be sure to check out that join button as well as our merch store. This is ShadeTV. My name is Resale. We will catch you all in the next episode.